Hello, amazing people. This is Krishush, your boy, back with another fantastic video. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to take input from user. Yes, that will be really amazing. So please, without skipping the video, watch till the end. So first of all, let's see some points as usual. So we are going to use a scanner method, and there is some other method also like buffer reader. So in next tutorial we are going to learn about that, but in this tutorial we are going to learn about scanner method. So scanner is a predefined class which is used to take user input in Java. So as I have mentioned, that this is a predefined class which is already defined in a library, and we need to extend that library, or we can say that we need to import that library. So a scanner class is defined inside java.util package. So you must learn this thing java.util, and we will code also for this. So we will definitely learn that. So a scanner class consists of many functions to take user input, which is given in next slide. So yeah, as you can see in the next slide, so this methods we can use to take the input from the user, which is next int used to read integer value from the user, as same next float is used to read float value, as same double used for double value, and the next used to read a string value without a space from the user. And after that, next line is there, next byte is there, next short is there, next long is there. Line is used to read string value from the user. And if we will talk about byte, so it will use for byte obviously, and short is for short. And last we can see long for long. So let's go to the coding area, and where we will write some code and learn something more about scanner method, or how to take input from the user. Yes, finally we are in the coding area. So here what we are going to do is, first of all, as usual, everything is ready. So now what we are going to do is, first of all, we need to import something. So let's write the math import, which is a keyword. And after that, as on previously I told you, we need to, we need to import, not export, import a scanner. So we have got what we need to scan import. So we have totally okay to set and to write the code for the scanner method, and to take the key what, input from the user. So as you can see, first of all we need to write the scanner, after that object is equals to new scanner, and after that what we need to do is, here we are going to write system dot out, not out, in. Yes, and in this case we are going to write in, because we are taking the input from user. If we are giving any anything output, so on that case we need to mention out. So here let's write string, because we are taking the name from the user. And after that what we need to do is just write system, in the system dot out dot println, and enter your name. Everything is okay. Let's close this. It is already closed. And after that what we need to do is name, which is a string. We have previously declared this name, and after that we are going to write this object dot next line. Yes, this is the keyword to taking the input on next line, taking a string input. So for a string input we need to use next line. So let's run this code and let's see what will be the output. So it is running, and as you can see that input your name. So let me write that as usual, krishush. So yes, we have input, so our input is working. So what we are going to do is, let's imagine in the place of a string we are going to take an integer which is just as a num, which is a mobile number, you can say. And here what we need to do is just write num, after that next int. Okay, sorry, I have mentioned next in instead of next we have mentioned new, so it is all things are ready. So what we are going to do is again let's run it, and now our output will be the same because we have not. Let's run it now. So stop and rerun it, the program. So let's mention here our numbers. So as you can see, we have mentioned something, and it is. So that is how it works. So let me show you something, another magic, and which is system.println. And what we are going to do is your number is. Oh, sorry. Okay, shit. Sorry, my bad. And what we are going to do is let's here plus num. So now what we will got, we will get the output, and is as your number is. So let's put something another number, and your number is as you can see. So that is how int works. So I just want to request you that you also need to do something for me, and which is next float, next double, next byte, next long. So you need to run the code and create the code for that one. Hope so you have enjoyed this video. If you really have, so please do not forget to share it and like the video, and please don't forget to comment also. Thank you for watching this video.